Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a quiet lake at sunrise, the water shimmering like glass, the air cool and still. You can almost see it, right? That is imagery. Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore how poets use words to paint pictures in our minds. Welcome to this short lesson on imagery in poetry. Imagery means using descriptive language that appeals to our senses, like sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. It's what helps a poem come alive in the reader's imagination. So, when a poet says the crimson sunset kissed the sky, you can see the colors and feel the warmth, can't you? That is visual imagery at work, transforming words into experience. Remember, imagery isn't just about seeing, it's about feeling the world of the poem with all of our senses. Now let's explore the five main types of imagery. First, visual imagery, what we see. For example, a host of golden daffodils. You can imagine their color and movement. Auditory imagery, what we hear. For example, the murmuring of innumerable bees. The sound almost hums in your ears. Next, olfactory imagery, what we smell. The scent of wet earth after rain, that familiar freshness. Gustatory imagery, what we taste. For example, sweet as honey. You can almost taste the sweetness. Next, tactile imagery, what we touch. For example, the cold marble floor beneath bare feet. You can feel the chill of the surface. So, why is imagery so important in literature? Imagery gives emotion a body. It bridges the gap between feelings and understanding. It turns abstract emotions into something we can see or touch. Imagery makes readers connect emotionally and it often reinforces themes and symbols. So instead of saying, I am sad, a poet might write, tears carved rivers down my face. In short, it's not just decoration, it's how meaning is built. Now, let's test ourselves. First, the aroma of coffee filled the air. Which sense does it appeal to? Yes, smell. That's olfactory imagery. Next, the icy wind bit my skin. That's tactile imagery. Perfect. So when you read poetry next time, ask yourself which senses come alive. As readers, our role is to notice these details and feel the world the poet creates. That's how we truly see through words. Thank you for learning with me. See you all soon.